We're all entitled to a cheat day once in a while. There's a lot to be said for calorie confusion in the quest to maintain a desired weight or to help us lose more weight. While balance and proper decision-making are important in all dietary lifestyles, there are some choices that we could be making that might be more harmful than helpful. Food pairings are good examples of choices that might actually be more detrimental to our health than we think. Consider the following food pairings that might make you feel worse after eating them. Milk with a banana. Drinking a glass of milk while eating a banana could cause the digestive process to lag. Because bananas are converted by our bodies into a lot of natural sugar, they tend to remain present in the body longer than other foods. Milk draws things out even more. Meat and potatoes. Even though it's one of the more common meals at restaurants, that doesn't mean that a steak and fries combo is good for you. Because they each need different kinds of digestive fluids, when they are paired together they can cause indigestion or reflux. Rather than potatoes with your steak, choose some mixed greens or sautéed vegetables. Ground meat with pasta. Like the previously mentioned banana, pastas are converted into simple sugars when digested. They give us fuel that we need on a daily basis. However, our saliva also contains enzymes in the predigestion phase, one of which is called ptyalin. Over time, when we consume meat with these simple sugars, it can lead to diabetes. Instead of adding meat to pasta, pair it with herbs and olive oil for a healthier alternative. Cucumbers and tomatoes. Almost everyone includes both cucumbers and tomatoes in their salads. Together, though, they could lead to inflammation in the digestive tract that slows down digestion and may not sit well with us. Try keeping them separate rather than tossing them together next time you have a salad. Pineapple with yogurt. Bromelain, an enzyme present in pineapple juice that reduces inflammation, is in direct contrast to dairy products that tend to increase inflammation in our digestive tract. Mixing them together could bring about unwanted discomfort. If you like fruit with yogurt, try some that aren't as acidic or don't contain bromelain. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.